Odunrin Ahmed. I'm a graduate from Wesley University of Science and Technology, Ondo. I graduated with a background in computer science. I enjoy watching movies, playing games, and sports.
My name is Emenike Austin. I'm a senior front-end developer with 3 years work experience. So I hold a bachelor degree of science in physics from the University of Ibadan.
Hello, my name is Ige Joseph. I'm a geologist. I finished from Ekiti State University, Ado Ekiti. I'm a very curious person and I love working with data.
Before Blossom Academy, I had little knowledge in data science, but since my time in the fellowship, I've been able to learn about models and machine learning algorithms. And I'm really excited because my current role, I see how I can implement my new skills to enhance my core roles at the office.
Prior to now, I did not have any data science skills. However, after the training, I've been able to solve data-driven problems using data science skills such as unsupervised learning, predictive modeling.
One of the most valuable experience was the community the fellowship brought about. So we're able to get more hands-on approach, or able to learn in with the guidance of our instructor, and then to have also co-learners that you can explain, you can bounce ideas around and then help to understand concepts that are being taught better. It's enhanced the whole learning experience for me and it was very valuable.
Alright, I would say coming to meet different people from different backgrounds, and also the leadership training that's really helped me outside data science.
The two major valuable aspects of the program is machine learning and personal development. Machine learning is because of I study geology, and in geology we need machine learning to predict the subsurface data, to be able to map out crude oil in the subsurface. While personally, with the help of data science, I'm able to use supervised learning and unsupervised learning to predict when the forest market is going to go up and when it's going to go down.
With my new data skills, I'm looking forward to making data-driven solutions that can help improve people's lives on a daily basis. I'm also looking forward to impacting people with the knowledge I've gained and sharing the knowledge I have with others.
I'm also a member of the Red Cross Society. So I spend most of my time volunteering to help my community around. Using these skills, I'll be able to gather data and work with data to help solve problems in our community.
I want to say a very big thank you to Blossom Academy and Digital Africa for giving me this great opportunity to learn data science.
How we can impact businesses or drive solutions wherever we find ourselves. So for anyone out there who is looking to learn data and data science, I would recommend they check out Blossom Academy. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn also. Thank you very much.